Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 Cadillac ATS. This ATS is a coupe model and is the premium trim and features a white paint finish. It includes features such as our alloy wheels, a powered liftgate, a sunroof, heated front seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, as well as a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and full 360 range of sensors. Now moving to the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Our door locks and unlocks. Our seat memory is up above. On the door panel itself, we have all of the controls for our powered outside mirrors, as well as our window controls. Below it, we have the button to open our trunk, as well as some additional storage throughout the bottom. Moving inside to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls, as well as the controls for our heads-up display. At the bottom, we have our sensors and lane keep assist. Moving up above our steering wheel, we have all of our cluster gauge settings. We have a digital speedometer, as well as our fuel range. We can rotate what is displayed in the middle. We can see we have settings, a phone, our FM radio, a compass, or our speedometer. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is all of our controls for our hands-free, as well as our cruise controls, our forward collision alert button, and our heated steering wheel. The right-hand side has some additional hands-free as well. We have our select button, as well as to control what is displayed in that central speedometer. We have our volume up and downs, as well as our selection buttons. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have our audio, our Bluetooth, our text. It also does have our climate control if we choose to use it through there, as well as our navigation settings, and it also does function as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Across the bottom, we have our power button for it, all of our volume controls, which is a swipe or a press, as well as our home buttons. Just to the left of our power button, we have our push to start ignition. Then we have our dual zone front climate control. We have a front and rear defroster as well. On the left and right hand side, respectively, we have our driver and passenger heated front seat. Then below, we have a storage compartment with a flip open 12-volt plug on the passenger side. We have our leather finish shift knob, the buttons for our traction as well as our mode select, our two cup holders, and inside the cup holders, we can also see our key fob. On the top, we have our locks and unlocks. The second row is our remote starter and our lift gate opener, as well as our alarm system. Then we have our center console in a leather finish. Opening up inside of it, we can see that it is cloth lined. And on the front, we have two USBs, an auxiliary, and an SD slot. Moving across to the seats, we can see that they are finished in a black leather. They are also heated in the front of the vehicle. Moving up above our rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Just behind that, we have all of the controls for our lighting. We have our tilt and slide sunroof controls, as well as our garage door opener. Then we can see our sunroof across here. Then in the back of the vehicle, we have the same leather seating. We have two seats in the back, as well as two cup holders in the middle to make some additional room. Now starting to walk down the side of the vehicle. Moving down to our wheels, we can see that they are in a black alloy finish and have the NV badging across the center cap. Moving up to the side mirrors, we can see we have a black and white finish to match the paint. We have chrome door handles throughout with our keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Cadillac badging, as well as our ATS badging in a chrome finish. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our backup camera across the bottom. Inside the trunk, we have plenty of space with folding second row seating, as well as some storage throughout. And we also, up on the top, have our carbon fiber spoiler. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 Cadillac ATS. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.